Hello crafty friends, I'm on today to share our very last part of the collaboration PMA Craft Challenge hosted by the lovely Monica Wikluska at Paper Mona, and this month's prompt was D, and we've decided to go for D for decorations, and we've made some rustic orange peel and cinnamon and lime decorations for our Christmas tree. And they smell fantastic because these are real dried pieces of cinnamon and fruit that you may have seen us picking up at the Creative Craft Fair a little while ago. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box below and you can pop over and see everything that we bought. So we've simply made a few string decorations to put on our tree, and these are also great hung off a radiator at this time of year as they emit the scent of Christmas throughout your whole house. So this is the first one that we've made using a lime, some ribbon and a little jingle bell at the bottom. And these are really easy to make. You just string your ribbon through your pieces of dried fruit in any order and combo that you like. And as again, we've just put a bell on the bottom. And this one we've added a lovely bow to the top. And as I say, they smell fantastic. This orange here, we've just added some holly leaves and some berries to the top. And they hang beautifully on your Christmas tree, door hangers, anywhere at all. Here we've added some mini pine cones and a little bit of the gold foliage that we picked up at the Creative Craft Fair. So you can let us know in the comment section below what your favourite one is, and have you made anything using dried orange peels or limes before? And we just used a selection of ribbons and the dried cinnamon sticks. This one here is one of my favourites with the gold foliage on top. The orange and lime slices, the cinnamon and the little jingle bell. So I'll put a video clip here of these decorations on our outside Christmas tree just to show you them hanging. At the time of filming we haven't quite put our full Christmas tree up yet, so to give you an idea of how they look on a tree, I'll put some footage in here now. And we'd just like to thank Monica for hosting such a fun challenge. It's been 12 months now, so 12 fun projects we've had. It's been a great source of inspiration. We've enjoyed taking part every month, and we'd truly like to thank you, Monica, for the inspiration and for making us feel part of the crafting community. It's been great fun to see what everyone else has created, and you can follow along and see what people have made in the past or what they'll make this month using the hashtag pmacraftchallenge. It's been a blast. We look forward to seeing what will be next. Thank you so much to everyone who watches our videos. Please like, share and subscribe. And until next time, happy crafting.
Bye for now.